For today's craft, we are going to do something a little more geared towards the younger ages. So we're going to make this wintry scene using some do-it-yourself pipe cleaner stamps. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so for this craft, all you are going to need is 4 pipe cleaners, some paint, a pair of scissors, and some construction paper. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and start by cutting this first pipe cleaner into 3 equal size sections. Like this. And then you are going to go ahead and wrap those around each other to make the snowflake shape for the stamp. So I'm going to start just with cross shape like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this other piece and go ahead and wrap it around like this to make that snowflake shape. If they're a little uneven, I just went ahead and cut some of the longer sections so that each length is about equal. And so at the end, you will have a shape of a snowflake that looks like this. And you are going to use this for your stamp. And so I'm just going to take one of the other pipe cleaners, go ahead and cut this into a smaller section to make a handle for that to hold onto. So it makes the stamping in the paint easier. So it should look something like this. There's one, so I'm going to go ahead and make 2 because I am going to use 2 different colors of paint. So again, cut this into about 3 equal sections. And then cut this. And then take this section and cross it like this. And again, just maybe trimming any sections that are a little long if you want to even it out. And then I'm going to use, again, that other section and just wrap it around to make the handle, to make it easier for stamping. This, trim this a little bit. There you go. So you have now your 2 stamps, or however many if you want more colors of paint or however you want to do it. So we have 2 stamps here, and then we have our construction paper here. And then what I did is I just put some paint into a plastic dish like this so that there was plenty of surface area for the stamp to get plenty of paint. And then I just took a spoon and spread it out a little bit so that there was plenty of space. And then I put some white paint onto the top like this. And again, just spread it out so that there's plenty of surface area of paint like that. So we've got our paint. Now we've got our stamps. And we're just going to take the stamps and dip them in the paint. So I'll go ahead and use the blue. Make sure it gets covered in lots of paint. Just move around inside there. And then just go ahead and start stamping it on your paper. Like this. Make sure you get all the different sides down. And then go ahead and take the other stamp and use that in the white paint. Again, just making sure to get it plenty covered. And then bring that down. Getting some more paint if you need to. And there you go. Now you have a very cool wintry scene that the kids can do all by themselves, and I think it'll turn out really cool.